Uba George Lengdo u MLA ke Umroi constituency ula Khyrwit da ki jingkli ki bakhor ya minister ubare khmi ya revenue and disaster management department. Haka juba jung Kyrmen ula ong ba shen en sambyang ya ka san lak tengka balamang. Kakong amperin ka MLA jung kalat imkra ka panjing Iarap na ka sorkar halor ka jing penjulor na ka jing bethei IED hayo la imkra.
87 for the affected households. I would request the Honourable Minister to kindly place in the table of the House, sir, the list of these households, village-wise. Sir, coming to 31C, sir, the reply is that the amount of 8,79,300 has already been released. May I know, sir, to whom did they release? To the district or to the block, sir? And when, sir?
Sir, the amount has been released to the CNRD block so that they can release to the household department. So I have a detailed list here, sir. So village-wise, so may I read it, sir?
No, sir, I requested it to be placed.
Okay, sir. I have a detail, sir. It will be later.
Sir, when was the amount released to the block, sir?
The amount, I have the date, sir. Please give me some time.
You have the date?
Sir, exact date, I don't have it with me right now. It's somewhere here, so it'll take some time. So, yes. It was released on April, sir, and August to the DC.
So we're getting two replies. One, the amount was released to the block, he said, and now he's saying that the amount has been released to the DC. So that may be corrected, sir. We want
yes,
a specific
Deputy
reply.
Commissioner, sir.
So now, from that balance amount also, sir, 5,15,000 is yet to be released even after 6 months of the calamity, sir. May I know the reason for the delay, sir?
Sir, we are waiting for the next meeting. So after the next meeting, we will release this amount, pending amount 5 lakh plus. So I give the assurance for that amount, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, bye.
Mr. Speaker, sir. I just would like to get an information from the Honourable Minister. In the month of June this year, we had a lot of disaster in the constituency of Mawson sir. And the Honourable Chief Minister was kind enough to visit some of those places that were affected. Sir, there were about more than almost 200 names that have been forwarded by the BDO to the Revenue or the Disaster Management Agency for the release of the relief, sir. May I know what is the status of the relief to be provided to these people, sir?
Sir, I have the list that we have released the amount to the till date. We have for East Khasi Hills, we have released 1 crore 36 lakh 93,610, and I have all the district wise, sir, which we have released the amount, which is a total of 50 crores 26 lakh 17,098 rupees. Till date, sir, that is the amount has been released to all the deputy commissioners for the affected, for those who are affected through this calamity, sir.
So this morning, I just cross-checked from the BDO, and he says that no money has been received till date. Nevertheless, I request the Honourable Minister to kindly look into the matter and ensure that the money that is released to the district also are sent to the block concerned so that those money can be distributed at the earliest. People are expecting some relief. Normally, we hear from the Honourable Chief Minister saying that relief will be provided at the shortest time possible. But now, since the month of June, we are already in September, people will be deceived badly if they don't get the money on time. I request the Honourable Minister to kindly look into this matter.
The principal question is related to Bhairambong block. So kindly confirm your supplementary to that.
Yes, sir, we'll look into it. And just for the knowledge of the houses, I would just like to mention that the amount of rupees we used to release to all the deputy commissioner in every district. But in East Khasi Hills, we have released the amount of 70 lakh, that is for ex gratia payment and gratitude relief, sir. So we do release the amount to the deputy commissioner for ex gratia and then for relief, sir, so that they can be utilized that money. But whenever there's a shortage of money from our department, we do send additional funds so that it can be utilized for the calamities, sir, whenever occur.